Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. Today I want to talk about having fun with YouTube Shorts. Have you guys checked out YouTube Shorts yet? If you haven't, you should. There are other things you could do with it. They got effects, they got different things that you could do with it to make them a little spicy rather than just looking at somebody like me who's just sitting here at the office chair at my desk talking. You could do fun things with it. It doesn't have to be very bland. I'm going to show you that in a second, so don't go away. It's coming up. Okay, you ready to have some fun with this here? Let's check it out. Let's go over here to YouTube. Get on here. And we're going to click on the plus button. And we're going to click Create Short. And we're going to keep the current selection. And here you have it. Let's move this over here. Let's just get this over here so we don't see two of me. And as you can see here, let me just say I got this connected to my phone here, the wire is connected to my computer here. So check it out. When you hit the little pull down arrow over here like that, you're going to get all these windows over here. You're going to get effects, speed, timer. I have to move this way because I can't see too good. Green screen, retouch, filters, and lighting. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's check out the effects. Okay. Now check this out, guys. We're going to hit the effects button here. Whoops. Let's go back to this again. I'm sorry, guys. Let me go back over here to effects and check this out. If you move it back and forth, you get some two heads, whatever. You do this one here, you can split the person, right? You can split them up like that. Okay. This one here is motion trail. Okay. Look at that. Who's that? Like that. Yeah, it's okay. There's a little more. It's getting there. The first one was just to let you know, was this one here was mirror stacked. This one here is mirror side, like that. And this one here is, again, this one is motion trail. Yeah, it's not bad. This one here is fish eye. Pretty cool, I guess, right? And this one here is night vision. Oh, this looks pretty cool, right? That's not bad, guys. Let's check this one out here. That was night vision. This is called cell flames. Okay. And you move it up a little here. And you got chromatic. You can see like I got like a little red glow over here, right? And then you got this one over here, classic glow. It's not bad, I guess. It doesn't seem too much here. This one here is soft like leak. Yeah, it's not bad, right? Move back. That's the noise. If you hear that noise, it's my chair. So it's not too bad with that one. Now, let's see what else I got here. Here is instances. Got all these different things here. Breaks it up like a little mosaic. This one here is multiply radio. Not bad. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's not bad. How about this one here? Multiply reflect. This is pretty cool. You know, you can have a lot of fun with this here. You know, I mean, I didn't even know they had this since I started exploring with it. Let's see what else I got over here. This one here is retro OS. That's pretty cool. What do you think of that, guys? You like that? I think it's pretty cool. And this one here is dust and scratches. Oh, yeah, I can see a little scratching in there. You can see it there. The dust part, I don't see too much of the dust part. And this one here is called, let's go back up here. This one is reading glasses. Okay, reading glasses. Whatever, I don't know if that's all. It doesn't sound like it's something. There we go. Oh, I see. Okay, I didn't hit the button good enough. All right, so you got that there. Those are the effects. And let's go back here, and let's. Wait a minute. We don't want that one there. We want to go. Let's go back to the normal. Hold on here. I'll go back to effects. Let's go back to here. How about we just don't do it there? There we go. Let's bump out of here, and let's see what they got over here. And then you got over here speed. Of course, you could do the speed. You could flip it around. Of course, we know that there. The timer. Then you got a green screen, and then you got filters. Check out the filters here, guys. Look at the filters. Look at this here. Let's go back to the beginning here. Look at that. Make sure a little nice contrast over there. You got this one here. Not bad, right? Mom's getting tired holding this thing here, so let's see what else you got over here. Well, you can see it on the screen. I have to repeat it. I'm sorry, I was repeating it before. I should know I'm doing a screen share. Sorry about that, guys. And then we go over here, which is this here, C1. That's not bad, I guess. I'm just going through the different things, just showing you different things you can do with the format here. Let's go this one here, C4. That looks pretty cool. That's, filters. Well, different filters. That looks good if you want to look like you just came back from the beach. A little too dark. Okay. A little too much red there. And then, of course, we go black and white. Different versions of the black and white here. It's a little lighter. That's it. Yeah, you got this one here. More color. And I guess that's it for that one. Yeah. And then, well, if you're not sure what you want, you could always scroll back here. If you don't want any of these filters, you just click over here. Here we go. We're going to get over here. Okay, I think it's done. Okay. And let's see what else I got over here. The speed, you could also do the speed. Of course, you know about to flip it around. And you got the green screen here. I have the green screen. I put that back there once before. It takes a little time to load it up, but we're not going to do that right now. I don't know if we can work it right now. Let's see here, the green screen. I put this here once before. Let's see how I can do this here. It takes a little time, as you can see in the bottom here how it's moving. This is only 15 seconds here. Oh, it got me back over here again. I don't know why I did that. Let's go back here. Maybe you got to do it this way here. Let's go back to here. Go back to this one here. Keep the code selection. Yeah, if you want to, and then also, folks, while I got your attention, I know let me just move here because it's going to get confusing seeing two of me here. You got over here, if you hit that little dial up there, and my mouse is moving here, see right here. You could do it or you could do it 15 seconds by just tapping it. 15 seconds, and you tap it again. It takes you 60 seconds. You could also add sound. Now, if I want to add the green screen, I hit the little add button over here, and that I would add that to it there, and then it'll do the same thing again. But it's got to play though. You got to actually do the video. So we're not going to do that right now. But that's how I could show you how to do it another time. I don't want to get too much into it. Let me see if I can back out of here. Okay, I guess I can't do that. All right. Anyway, you're having a lot of fun with this here, folks. So if you get a chance, check out the what do you call it? The new YouTube Shorts. Well, actually, it's the YouTube Shorts. It's been around, but they added those effects features there, and I think it's pretty cool. So let me know what you guys think. If you think it's cool, you like it, try it out and make some good videos. I'm going to try it out later on. I'm going to probably do a YouTube short with it. I don't know which one I'm going to do. I might do the filter effect, either the filter or use the effects on there. But I like to mess around with these things. I always like to, keep things fresh. Well, I hope you liked that video, folks. That's all I have for you right now. If you like this video or any of my videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated when I post on the videos, please hit that bell notification icon. My name is Rich Bassini, and as I always like to say in my ending videos, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I wish you all the best and success. And remember, folks, keep it original, keep it real, and let your channel grow organically. Until next time, bye-bye for now.